How to add gift card to John Lewis Order 2025 method. If you've ever shopped at John Lewis online, you know it's one of the UK's most trusted retailers, offering everything from home essentials to fashion and electronics. But what happens when you have a gift card and want to apply it to your order? Most people struggle with this, and some even assume you can't use gift cards online at all. The truth is, adding a gift card to your John Lewis order in 2025 is straightforward, but there are a few steps you need to follow to ensure it works seamlessly. Today, we'll walk through the exact method you need. Step 1. Understand your gift card. Before you try to apply a gift card, make sure you understand what type you have. John Lewis offers two main options. Physical gift cards: These are the traditional plastic cards you might receive as a present. They have a 16-digit code on the back, often under a scratch-off panel. Digital e-gift cards: sent by email. These cards come with a unique code and a balance. Both types work for online orders, but the process to apply them is slightly different. Step 2. Start your John Lewis online order. Go to johnlewis.com and browse the products you want to buy. Add the items to your shopping bag. Once ready, click on the bag icon at the top right and then select checkout. Make sure you are signed into your John Lewis account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Using an account helps keep track of gift card balances and makes it easier to apply them. Step 3. Enter your gift card during checkout. Here's the critical part most people get wrong. Gift cards can't be applied on the product page. They must be applied in the payment section during checkout. Proceed through your shipping details and delivery options until you reach the payment step. Look for the section labeled gift card or voucher code. Enter your 16-digit gift card code exactly as it appears. If it's an e-gift card, enter the code provided in the email. Click apply You'll see the gift card balance deducted from your order total immediately. If your order exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount using another payment method like a debit or credit card. Step 4. Using multiple gift cards. John Lewis allows you to use more than one gift card per order. Here's how. Enter the first gift card code and click apply. The new balance will update to reflect the deduction. Enter the next gift card code and click apply again. Repeat until you've applied all the gift cards you want. This is particularly useful if your gift cards are smaller amounts and you need to combine them for a larger purchase. Step 5. Verify your balance. After applying your gift card, check your order summary to make sure the amount has been deducted correctly. If there's a problem, double-check the code for typos. Ensure the card hasn't expired. John Lewis gift cards generally have a long validity period, but it's worth confirming. Contact John Lewis customer service if the code still doesn't work. They can verify the balance and help resolve any issues. Step 6. Complete your order. Once your gift card has been successfully applied, continue with the remaining payment methods if needed. Confirm all your shipping and billing details, then click place order. You'll receive an order confirmation email showing the gift card applied and the final amount charged. This is your proof that the gift card was successfully used. Step 7. Check remaining gift card balance. After your order, it's a good idea to keep track of any remaining balance on your gift card. You can do this by visiting the John Lewis website and navigating to gift card balance check. Enter your gift card code to see how much is left. Keep the card safe if there's still money remaining for future orders. Step 8. Common issues and how to fix them. Even in 2025, some users encounter problems when applying gift cards. Here's how to troubleshoot common issues. Code not accepted: ensure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Expired card: check the card terms. Some older cards may have different expiry rules. Partial deduction issue: if your order total is less than the gift card balance, the remaining balance stays on the card for future use. Combining gift cards fails: make sure each card is entered individually and the first one has been applied before adding the next. Step 9. Tips to maximize your gift card use. Use gift cards for higher value purchases to maximize their impact. Combine gift cards with promotions or discounts to save more. Keep digital gift cards in your email for easy access anytime. Consider using gift cards for special items that you may not buy with your own money. Think gifts, home appliances, or tech upgrades. Step 10. 2025 updates and changes. As of 2025, John Lewis has made the gift card system more flexible. Gift cards can now be applied to click and collect orders. Mobile wallets and app integration allow instant redemption of e-gift cards. Multiple gift cards can be combined in a single transaction online, which wasn't always possible in earlier years. This means it's easier than ever to use gift cards online without visiting a store. Step 11. Why gift cards are still valuable. Even with cashback apps, discount codes, and loyalty programs, gift cards remain a simple and reliable way to make purchases. They prevent overspending since you can only use the balance available. They're great for gifting and sharing, especially for online shoppers. They work well in combination with seasonal sales, allowing you to maximize savings. Step 12. Final summary. Using a John Lewis gift card online in 2025 is straightforward if you follow the correct steps. 1. Verify your gift card type and balance. 2. Sign in or create a John Lewis account. 3. Add items to your shopping bag and proceed to checkout. 4. Enter the gift card code in the payment section and click apply. 5. Combine multiple gift cards if needed. 6. Verify the deduction and complete your order. 7. Check any remaining balance for future use. By following this method, you can ensure your gift card is applied correctly, maximize your savings, and enjoy your John Lewis purchases without hassle. In conclusion, whether it's a birthday gift, a reward, or treat for yourself, John Lewis gift cards remain a flexible and convenient way to shop online. With this 2025 method, you won't run into the common issues that trip up other shoppers. You'll be ready to add gift cards to your order confidently and enjoy your shopping experience to the fullest.